Hello everyone, Naushad here. In this video we'll see how to display users' current location on Xamarin's phone's map application. To do that, we'll use Xamarin Essentials Geolocation plugin. To get started, we need to add some permission to our Android manifest.xml file. So we come and copy this chunk of code, and then we go to our Android project, properties, Android manifest, open with source code editor, and then we paste the code here. I've already pasted the code, so these are the line of code I've pasted. Permission name Android permission.access course location, access find location, and android.hardware.location, location.gps, and location.network. This is the only permission we need for Android. For iOS, we just add this NS location when in usage description and add it as a new entry. I've already added the permission in our previous tutorial. So this is the only two things we need. Now to display the user's current location, we come inside main page xaml.cs, and I'm going to create a new function called public async void display current loc. And we come inside using geolocation, obviously, and we copy this chunk of code. I'll explain that later. So what we are doing here is like we are saying var location equal to await geolocation.get last known location async. If the location is not null, we're going to display the location in our map application. There is another way we could get the location, sending the request. So we copy these two lines of code, and instead of this location method, we paste it here. So this time we are sending a request, geolocation request, and I pass in the parameter geolocation accuracy.medium. And for the location, we say var location equal to await geolocation.get location async, and we pass the request parameter. Just to give you a quick detail what this medium accuracy means. So geolocation accuracy, if we use the lowest accuracy, it's gonna be user's location would be displayed within around on Android 50 meters of user's current location. For iOS it's within 3000 meters. For UWP it's 1000 to 5000 radius. The default medium for Android it's within 100 to 500 meter radius. iOS it's within 100, and for UWT it's within 330 to 500 radius. We could use the best. For Android it's gonna be almost the precise exact location, iOS almost the same, and for UWT it's within 10 meter radius. For our application, we're good to use the medium location accuracy. Now that we have got our user's location, I'm going to create a new position p equals to new position, and pass in our location dot latitude and location dot longitude. So we have got our user's current location. The next thing I'm going to do is move our map to the user's current location, and I'm going to use map span equal to map span dot from center and radius, and that takes in two parameters, position and distance radius. So we'll pass in our location, position, and say distance dot from kilometers, we could say from meters, and we pass in a value, for example 444, and that should display the location of our user. So we have got to call this function we have created, display current loc, and we'll call it inside the main page constructor, and we try to deploy it on our iOS. It doesn't. Let's find out. Okay, so we are not moving to our map. So on main page.xaml.xml, we have added maps. Map is showing user attribute equals to true and given it a name, map. So if we could do one more thing, we say map dot, and we say move to region, and we pass our map span. Save it, redeploy it, and that should show the current location of the user. Yes, it's working. We try the same thing on our Android, and that should do the same thing too. Yeah, it's showing the location here. So this was it for this video. In the next video we'll see how to design the map page, and if you had liked this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I should see you in my next videos. Thank you.